Today we're talking about the Premiere Pro CC18 exam, and we're looking at the third domain called Organizing Video Projects. Subdomain 3.2 is Modify Basic Track Visibility and Audio Levels. The only subpoint to this subdomain is Adjust the track's visibility and audio levels. So as I scrub my playhead, we can see that there's video here. Over here on the left-hand side of my timeline, for this video track, I have a little eye. If I click on this eye, the video track disappears. Notice I can't see it, no matter where I am in the timeline. But if I check this eye again, it reappears. Let me duplicate this video track. What I've done is I've selected the video track, I've hit the Alt key on my keyboard, and I'm clicking and dragging up, and I'm going to let go of my mouse. And that'll duplicate the video track. I'm going to go ahead and hide track 1 again, because we can still see track 2. And I'm going to trim the second video track so that we can see the transition. There's nothing going on because it's hidden. And then boom, video track 2 now appears as I go over that edge. I have the same options in my audio track. Down below, I have this one audio track. And as I play,
fantastic day,
you can hear my voice. But if I click the M on the audio track, now I hit my space bar to hit play. Notice you can't hear any audio. That M is for muting the track. Let me go ahead and duplicate this audio track. It's the same process for when I duplicated my video track. I'm going to select it, hit the Alt key on my keyboard, and just click and drag that down and let go. And now I have a duplicated audio track. If I unmute this and hit play,
CC18 exam,
it's not going to sound any different because it's the same audio track. But if I drag this in and then drag this over, now we'll hear both tracks playing at the same time.
Now I have a notebook full of notes.
It's kind of confusing. If I just wanted to hear one of these tracks, let's say track 2, if I hit the S or solo track, this will be the only thing that plays. Let's go back to the beginning and hit play.
Now I have a notebook full of notes here that I want to discuss with you. But
notice that only that track played. While we're here in the timeline panel, you should note that you can visually adjust what you're looking at in the timeline. If I put my cursor between video track 1 and 2, I can actually just click and drag that up and notice this video track has more space to display what's going on in the video. Same thing with my audio tracks. I can click and drag that down to see more of the waveform. I can also double click on a track to expand it out.